Hi, my dear students. Now we are going to the chapter-wise concept. The topic is pair of straight lines. There it is. Concept related to slopes of a homogeneous pair of lines. Okay. Now, so we have to take the standard form of the pair of straight lines equation. Actually, standard form of the pair of straight lines equation is in the form of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Since which contains each term have the same variable power is called homogeneous pair of lines equation. That's why ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 is the represents a pair of homogeneous equation. That's why it represents two individual homogeneous straight lines. Two individual homogeneous straight lines. What are them? That means this is passing through the origin. That means ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 passing through the origin. Since we have to substitute in place of x 0, in place of y 0, it is satisfied. Right? That's why now it represents two lines which are passing through origin. That's why we have to consider two lines which are passing through origin and makes angles theta 1 and theta 2 with the x-axis respectively. Since according to the definition of the slopes, if a line makes inclination theta 1 with the positive x-axis, then the slope of the line is tan theta 1. It is denoted by m1. So here it is. Observe, this is one line taken as y is equal to m1x. Its slope is m1 is equal to tan theta 1. Another line y is equal to m2x, taken as its slope is m2 is equal to tan theta 2. So these two passes through the origin. Since origin is the point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis. Are you clear? That's why now these are the inclinations. That's why the slope of the first line m1 is equal to tan theta 1. Slope of the second line m2 is equal to tan theta 2. That's why these two lines represents the pair of homogeneous equation. That's why you have to take the standard form of the pair of lines, that is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 divided by b. Then it is y square plus 2h by b xy plus a by b x square is equal to 0. Now this will comparing with the product of, that means the combined equation of these two. That's why y square plus 2h by b xy plus a by b x square is equal to combined equation of these two, product of these two, y minus m1x into y minus m2x. That's all. After comparing, that means multiplying these two, then it is y square plus 2h by b xy plus a by b x square plus is equal to y square minus, so product of these two, m1 plus m2 xy plus m1 m2 x square. Are you clear? Now from this, comparing corresponding terms, then y square coefficient 1, okay. Here it is xy coefficient 2h by b, here it is minus of m1 plus m2. That's why m1 plus m2 is equal to minus 2h by b. So we have to take here m1 and m2 represents the slopes. That's why sum of slopes minus 2h by b. And the product of slopes, that means comparing the coefficient of x square, that is m1 m2 is equal to a by b. And difference of the slopes, mod m1 minus m2. Difference is nothing but mod. It may be m1 minus m2 or m2 minus m1, no problem. That's why mod m1 minus m2 is equal to 2 times of square root of h square minus ab by mod b. Are you clear? Now, so how we get this one? According to the formula, we know that a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is 4ab. We know the algebraic formula, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. Like that, mod m1 minus m2 is equal to square root of m1 plus m2 whole square minus 4m1 m2. So after substitution, simplification, then we get 2 times of root of h square minus ab by mod b. So this is this represents difference of the slopes. That's why these three quantities, what are them? The sum of the slopes and product of the slopes and difference of the slopes are most useful conditions for the theorems. That means for the solving the theorems and prove the theorems and questions. Okay, so this is the concept related to the slopes of a homogeneous pair of lines. Now we are going to do the questions, mains level questions on this concept. Okay. Okay, so now the question, question depends upon the concept, that is the combined equation to a pair of straight lines passing through the origin and inclined at an angles 30 degrees, 60 degrees respectively with x-axis is first option root 3 times of x square plus y square is equal to 4xy, and the second option 4 times of x square plus y square is equal to root 3xy, and third option x square plus root 3y square is equal to 2xy, and fourth option x square plus 3y square is equal to 2xy. Now we have to solve this question. Actually observe, so according to the concept here, two lines makes inclinations 30 degrees and 60 degrees with x-axis. Now this is taken as x-axis and this is taken as y-axis, right? So here x-axis, that means it makes 30 degrees, 30 degrees inclination. That's why y is equal to m1. m1 is tan 30. Y is equal to 1 by root 3x, and which makes 60 degrees. That's why y is equal to root 3x. Since here m1 is equal to tan 30, m1 is equal to tan theta 1 means tan 30 degrees, m2 is equal to tan theta 2, that is tan 60 degrees. We know the results of m1, tan 30 is 1 by root 3 and tan 60 is root 3. Now required combined equation of those two is homogeneous pair of lines equation which is passing through the origin. Since these two passes through origin, that's why now combined equation of those two required equation, that is y minus root 3x into y minus 1 by root 3 x is equal to 0. Now we have to multiply them. Then it is y square minus 1 by root 3 x minus 1 by root 3 xy minus root 3 xy plus, since root 3 gets cancelled, x square. Are you clear? Now we have to multiply with root 3. Then it is root 3y square minus xy. Now root 3 into root 3, 3xy plus root 3 x square is equal to 0. From these two we have to take common root 3. That's why root 3 times of x square plus y square minus xy minus 3xy minus 4xy is equal to 0. From this, root 3 times of x square plus y square is equal to 4xy. That's why the first option is correct. Okay, that's all. Now we are going to, one more question depends upon this concept. Now the second question depends upon the same concept, that is, the question is the equation of the pair of lines, passing through the origin whose sum and product of slopes are respectively the arithmetic mean and geometric mean of 4 and 9 is first option 12x square minus 13xy plus 2y square is equal to 0. Second option 12x square plus 13xy minus 2y square is equal to 0. And third option 12x square minus 15xy plus 2y square is equal to 0. And fourth option 12x square plus 15xy minus 2y square is equal to 0. Okay, so observe. So this is the question exactly depends upon the sum of the slopes and product of the slopes and difference of the slopes. So we know the concept, the sum of the slopes. m1 plus m2 is equal to minus 2h by b, and the product of the slopes m1 m2 is equal to a by b, and the difference of the slopes mod m1 minus m2 is equal to 2 times of root h square minus ab by mod b, where a, h, b are the parameters of the homogeneous pair of lines equation. A is the coefficient of x square, and h is the coefficient of half of the coefficient of xy, and b is the coefficient of y square. Right? Now, so from the given condition, observe here. So, sum of the slopes and product of the slopes, respectively, the arithmetic mean and geometric mean. Actually, arithmetic mean means what? Sum of the quantities by number of quantities. And geometric means of n things is called, or n quantities is called nth root of product of the quantities. That is the geometric means. Suppose a and b are two quantities. Arithmetic mean of a comma b is nothing but a plus b by 2. Arithmetic mean of a b c, a plus b plus c by 3. Arithmetic mean of a b c d, a plus b plus c plus d by 4. So arithmetic mean of n quantities, sum of n quantities by n, since number of quantities n. Similarly, geometric mean of AB, root AB. Geometric mean of ABC, cube root ABC. Geometric mean of ABCD, cube root AB, that means fourth root ABCD. That's why geometric mean of n quantities, nth root of the product of the quantities. That's okay. That's why here given 4 and 9 are the quantities. That's why arithmetic mean of 4 and 9 is 4 plus 9 by 2. Geometric mean of 4 and 9 is root 4 into 9. Are you clear? That's why here sum of the slopes, actually sum of the slopes m1 plus m2 is equal to am of, am means arithmetic mean, am of 4 and 9. 4 and 9. That is m1 plus m2 is equal to 4 plus 9 by 2. So am 4 and 9. That is 4 plus 9 by 2. That's why that is 13 by 2. And product of slopes m1 into m2 is equal to gm of m1 m2 is equal to gm of 4 and 9. Means what? Root 4 into 9. That's why m1 m2 is equal to root 4 into 9, root 36, that is 6. So m1 m2 is equal to 6. Now, so we know the equation whose slopes are m1 and m2 is nothing but required equation y square minus of m1 plus m2 into xy plus m1 m2 x square is equal to 0. Now substitute there. That implies y square minus m1 plus m2 is 13 by 2 xy. m1 m2 is 6 x square is equal to 0. Now multiply with 2. Multiply by 2. Then 2y square minus 13xy plus 12x square is equal to 0. That's why write in order. Then it is 12x square minus 13xy plus 2y square is equal to 0. That's why which option that is? That is the first option. 12x square minus 13xy plus 2y square is equal to 0. That's all. Now we are going to another question depends upon this concept. Now we are going to the next question, that is if one of the lines given by 6x square minus xy plus 4cy square is equal to 0 is 3x plus 4y is equal to 0, then C is equal to minus 1. First option minus 1, second option 1, third option minus 3, fourth option 3. That's all. Observe. So given equation is a homogeneous pair of lines equation. That is, what is that? 6x square minus xy plus 4cy square is equal to 0. Actually, that is the homogeneous pair of lines equation passes through the origin. It represents two lines passing through the origin having slopes m1 and m2. So one of the given line is there. What is the given line? the given line, solution for this given line, 3x plus 4y is equal to 0. From this, 4y is equal to minus 3x, y is equal to minus 3 by 4x. That's all. Just we can substitute y is equal to minus 3 by 4 x in place of y in the given equation. This is substitute in 6x square minus xy plus 4cy square is equal to 0. Substitute there. Here it is 6x square minus plus 3 by 4 x into x square, okay, plus 4c y square, this is 9 by 16 x square is equal to 0. That's why here x square divided by x square or take outside x square gets common, then it is 6 plus 3 by 4, that means enter the equation, x square gets cancelled, 6 plus 3 by 4 plus here 4 times gets cancelled, 9c by 4 is equal to 0. Is this clear? Now from this, okay, from this, here it is, take multiply with 4 this one, 24 plus 3 plus 9c is equal to 0. Enter the equation, multiply with 4. Now this is 27. So 9c is equal to minus 27. c is equal to minus 3. That's all. Now the result of c is minus 3. That's why third option is right answer. Right? Okay. That's all. Now we are going to another question. Depends upon the same concept. Okay. Now observe the next question. That is, if the sum and product, if S and P are respectively the sum and product of the slopes of the lines 3x square minus 2xy minus 15y square is equal to 0, then S is to P is. That's all. Of course, this question is also depends upon the same concept. The concept is sum of the slopes and product of the slopes. So you remember always sum of slopes minus 2h by b, product of slopes a by b, and difference of the slopes 2 times of root of h square minus ab by mod a, mod b. So these are most useful especially for objective and in theorems, since theorems are very important in IP board exam. The theorem is important for 7 marks in IP board exam. One theorem out of 6 theorems in pair of straight lines, very important. With the help of sum of roots, sum of slopes and product of slopes and difference of slopes, we have to do very easy theorems. Right? Now we are going to the question. Observe here, sum represents S, product represents P. Now the solution for this one, given equation 3x square minus 2xy minus 15y square is equal to 0. Right? Sum S is equal to, what is the formula for sum of roots? Sum of roots minus 2h by b. That means this will comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. What is a? 3. What is h? Minus 1. What is b? Minus 15. Since a is the coefficient of x square and h is the half of the coefficient of xy and b is the coefficient of y square. Now substitute here, then it is minus 2h. That means that is 2 by b. What is b? Minus 15. That's why minus 2 by 15. S is equal to minus 2 by 15. That's all. Now P, product of roots. What is the formula? A by B. What is A? 3. What is B? Minus 15. That's why 3 by minus 15. That's why P is equal to minus 3 by 15. Now, required S is to P. That is minus 2 by 15 is to minus 3 by 15. That's why 15 gets cancelled, minus gets cancelled. Then it is 2 is to 3. Now, option is second option. That's all. Okay? Write it first. We are going to the next question. That is, observe the difference of the slopes of the lines represented by x square times of secant square theta minus sin square theta minus 2 tan theta xy plus y square sin square theta is equal to 0 is first option 1, second option 2, third option 3 and fourth option 4. Yes, this is completely depends upon the difference of the slopes. That means we have to comparing the given equation with homogeneous pair of lines equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Then a is the coefficient of x square, h is half of the coefficient of y square, xy, and b is the coefficient of y square. That's why I take the equation. And what is the difference of the slopes formula? 2 times of root of h square minus ab by mod b. That's why take the equation, that is secant square theta minus sin square theta into x square minus 2 tan theta xy plus sin square theta y square is equal to 0. This will comparing with the homogeneous pair of lines equation, that is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Then where it is a, this is a, and this tan theta is h, now this is b. Actually, this is 2h, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. That's why difference of the slopes, required difference of the slopes mod m1 minus m2 is equal to 2 times of root of h square minus ab by mod b. That's all. Now that is mod m1 minus m2 is equal to 2 times of root of h is tan theta. That's why tan square theta minus ab. Secant square theta minus sin square theta into sin square theta whole by sin square theta. That's all. Now from this mod m1 minus m2 is equal to 2 times of square root of tan square theta minus, observe, sin square theta into secant square theta is, that's all.